So we're about to start CIPing our machine. You can see in the back, those little LEDs are flow meters that are very, very sensitive to elevated temperatures. So before we do anything else, we want to do two things. Again, we'll make sure that the valve in the back is set to CIP, not CO2, that valve right here. This is CO2 line for normal operations. This is for CIP. And we'll come over to our interface here after the computer's turned on and booted up. We go to the CIP screen, which we're in. We want to say start CIP before we do anything else. What that's going to do is it's going to lock out those flow meters. If we don't do that and turn that pump on, you do risk damaging them. So you'll see that when the fill heads are elevated up and down, when you hit CIP, both conveyors move. And that's very important for the end of the day, because then that's one of the ways, best, easiest ways to get all the beer off of these conveyance systems before we have it sleep for a little bit. So you can see in the clean in place mode, there's two modes of valves, CIP valves open, or you can hit pulse and have them close. And so the fill heads will close for short amounts of time, on and off and on and off. I'm going to start to use our cleaner here, which is this box that PS Angeles provided us. So if we put this guy back in, if I'm going to say what now will happen, because I opened up the door, is the machine went into safety mode. We want to hit this blue button for a reset, and you'll see that the CIP started again, but the conveyance lines didn't start again. So in order to keep them going, every time you open up the door, you would have to push stop CIP and then start CIP, and that will start these things again. All right. So right now I have open lines, and I don't want to take them off the pulse feature. I just want to have them be open because I want to get a bunch of hot water through. My hot liquor is now overfilling. It's always nice to have gauges that tell me the temperature, but a simple handheld thermometer is always a good thing to have around as well, just to make sure that we're not over damaging things. I'm going to send this video back to PS Angeles, and they might be like, dude, you're overthinking things. But if they say you don't want to go over 150, then I'm not going to go over 150. So right now we're pegged at 139.